All right, today you'll be starting the fifth flip classroom on subtracting integers with model. Please make sure you have your paper that has subtracting integers with models so you can write down the notes on your paper and complete any examples. If you do not write down the notes, you will not get credit for this flip classroom. All right, so today we're going to focus on subtracting integers with models using integer chips. Remember that one white integer chip represents +1 and one black integer chip represents -1. So when we subtract, that means to take away. So if I have 5 positives and I want to take away 3 positives, I'm going to be left with 2. If I have 3 positives and I want to take away 0, I want to represent 0 by showing 0 pairs. So remember, a positive and a negative is a 0 pair, so that actually represents 0. So 3 plus 0 is actually equal to 3. So remember, in order to represent 0, we're going to have to use 0 pairs. Subtraction is a little bit different from addition. When we model things, sometimes we may have to add 0 pairs in order to show a number that may not be there. Let's start with the first one. -5 minus +3. So the first thing I want to do, as always, is model the first set of numbers. So we have -5. So I'm going to model that with 5 dark chips. Then I want to take away the second number from the first number. But when I look at that, I don't see +3 in my model. So how can I take away +3 from a -5? So I'm going to have to find a way to put +3 there so I could take it away. The only possible way is to add 0 pairs. So again, we start with 5 negatives and we add 0 pairs. So in order to take away 3 positives, I'm going to need to add 3 0 pairs since there are not 3 positives there. So now I have 5 negatives, I have 3 negatives, and I have 3 positives. Now I actually see 3 positives that I can take away from the 5 negatives, but I also see some other numbers as well. So I'm going to go ahead and take away those 3 negatives. And now I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 negatives. So the answer that is left is my answer. -5 minus +3 is actually equal to -8. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to our next one. All right, so we have -4 minus a -2. So I'm going to start off with my -4, my 4 dark circles. Then I'm going to take away -2. Well, do I see -2? I do. I do see 2 negatives as part of this model. So I'm going to go ahead and just take that away. When I take that away, I'm left with 2 negatives. The answer that is left is 2 negatives. And last but not least, my last example, I start with +1 and I want to take away +3. So I'm going to start with +1 and I need to take away +3, but again, I don't see 3 positives. So I have to find a way to add 3 positives to my models. I already have 1 positive, so that means I need to add 2 more positives. In order to add any numbers to a subtraction model, you must use 0 pairs. So I'm going to add 2 0 pairs in order to show 3 positives. So now I can take away 3 positives and I am now left with 2 negatives. So 1 minus 3 is actually equal to 2 negatives. Watch this video as many times as you need. Keep in mind that this video may not be you being an expert at subtracting, but it's going to give you kind of a prerequisite to what we're going to talk about in class. Do your very best and write down all of the notes for subtraction with models. You'll get part 2 in just a second.